Welcome back. In this video, we will see what are cameras and how you can add a camera view in Revit. So basically, in order to make a 2D image looks more realistic, it should look like a perspective view. Camera option in Revit helps you to create a 2D or 3D perspective view. Let's switch to our project, Institute Building, and see how we can add camera to our project. So let's switch to Revit and start. So here I'm going to open my previously saved project, that is we have created Institute Building with lights. So let's select Institute Building with lights option and then click open. Now here I would like to add camera view to my ground floor. So to add the cameras, I can go to floor plan, and then under floor plan I can go to ground floor. So in order to understand how the camera works, you can consider one room. So let's suppose, for example, I would like to add a camera for this reception, and I would like to depict like I'm standing at this location and I'm trying to look at this particular door. For this, I can go to add a camera. I have two options. Either I can go to view or I can go to 3D view and then camera. So let's go to view first, and then from the view you will see the create panel. In create panel you have this 3D view option. You can click on the drop down and then you can select the camera option. So click on camera. Now let's suppose you are standing here. So this is where your eye is positioned, and then you are trying to look at this location. So I would like to have a full field of view for my entire area. So I'm going to take it up the target till outside. So once it is done, I can click, and now you will notice you can get directly a perspective view, and then you can use this drag points to maximize the view. You can click on zoom fit. Once this is done, I can go and I can go to visual style and we can make it realistic. Now you will notice this is how our reception looks like. So we have two doors here which we have seen that this is the reception area. We have this walls, and this is our floor with the material attached to it. So this is our first camera view. Now let's suppose you come back to ground floor and you will notice that the camera is vanished. Basically the camera will never vanish unless and until you delete it. Once you create a camera, it will get saved in your project browser under 3D views. So this is 3D with a curly bracket is the actual 3D view. Then we have 3D view 1. I can go and delete this 3D with section, and then I can rename it. I can select this view, right click, and then I can make a rename. And then I can rename it as reception view. To make it more organized, I can make it 01 reception view. So this is my first view. Now again I can go to floor plan, ground floor, and then let me add my second view or second camera to this particular classroom. So to add this, I can go again to view, 3D view, and then select camera. Now let's suppose this time I'm standing here and I'm trying to look it outside. Now you can see the moment you click the target, it will open a new view with the respective perspective view. So I can use this drag options, drag handles, and then I can extend this view. So let's go back and make it fine and make it realistic. So you can see this is how your classroom looks like. I can go to ground floor again, and let's go, for example, to this particular classroom. I can go to view again, 3D view, camera, and let's suppose this time I'm standing here and I'm trying to look at this location. I can drag this. Let's expand a little bit more. Never try to expand it too much because the image will look little deteriorate. So once this is done, I can make it realistic, and this is how your classroom looks like. So let's go and, okay, let me go and rename this. So this is my, let's rename this. So this is, for example, class 01. And this I can make it class, or maybe like computer lab, for example. So we have, I can make it 02 to make it more organized, and computer lab can be work as 03. So you can go back to ground floor, and let's suppose we would like to add one more camera to this office. So I can go to view, 3D view, camera, and then let's suppose this time you are standing somewhere here, and then you are trying to look at this side. Let's expand it a bit. Perfect. Now I can go back, I can make it the detail view as fine, and let's make this as realistic again. So this is how your office looks like. So let's go back to ground floor. So now you can see, let's go back and rename this as office. Let it be 04 office, and that's it. So now you can see we have a 3D model. Along with this 3D model, I have a reception view, then I have a class 01, then I have a computer lab, and then I have a office. So in our next video, we are going to start with our third step, that is making the rendering setting and doing the rendering. I hope you understand how we can add a camera to our project. Thank you very much.